Let's get to Adam to show us exactly the moment of when this took place and how did this all occur.
And I think for a lot of people, there might be some shock to hear there was such an intense storm somewhere around the greater Houston area, because much of the city and much of greater Houston, there wasn't a whole lot going on yesterday. But we're looking now at yesterday's radar loop from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can see how we had a cluster of rain very far north of us in the middle of the day. And then stemming from that was a little outflow boundary. Think of that as a mini cold front, and that sparked a strong storm. So this was really difficult to see on models, because this was basically weather causing its own little weather feature. And there was that intense storm that blew up right around Conroe. Now, we were watching it on radar yesterday afternoon. I was looking at velocity mode on radar, and it was very clear that there were some intense winds with this, and there was some signs of a little bit of rotation, at least at some point within the storm. Doesn't mean that was necessarily a tornado, but we know there were very strong winds, and we saw the result there with that devastating situation there in Conroe. But that was that little isolated storm. Then it went southward and brought some rain to northern parts of Houston, then kind of fizzled out after that. The sunshine was out shortly after that storm passed up there in Conroe. Looking at radar now this morning, we are watching more rain. I don't think we're going to get anything severe here, but we do have some thunderstorms showing up. This line, at least this broken line here west of Houston, was from storms that blew up yesterday in the panhandle of Texas. So these have been traveling a long distance throughout the overnight hours. And as we come in a little bit closer here, you can see we've got some storms just west of Katy, around Weston Lakes, just west of Rosenberg. So we're getting some rumbles of thunder out here and some downpours. This is, as you see, heading eastward, but it's also falling apart at the same time. So it's not like we're guaranteed to get rain over the middle of Houston later this morning, but some areas of town, especially our western areas, looking to get some rain in the short term. As we go through the day here on the model, it's a little bit off on the initial placement of some of this rain, but going into the morning, this is 9 a.m. for example, it shows everything kind of fizzling as it nears Houston. Probably a break midday, and then we have to watch for some spotty storms once again this afternoon, and it could be a situation where some of these get intense, but again, spotty, isolated, so not everyone's going to see it, but where they form, they could be intense. So our forecast, rain chance today, overall 40%. I think we'll get some in the morning, probably very little midday, and then some spotty stuff, maybe more like a 20% chance by the afternoon. A slight chance of rain continues Thursday. Could be a couple of intense thunderstorms in some spots as well. Very tricky weather setup right now, though. Hard to pinpoint when and where we're going to see these storms. So you just want to be weather aware, have a way to check radar if you see dark clouds building around you. Now, by Friday and Saturday, I think the rain takes a break for a little bit and those temperatures stay hot. Heading into Sunday and Memorial Day on Monday, we're not expecting much rain, but a little bit could form. 20% chance there for Sunday, 30% on Memorial Day.